In this tutorial, I will show you how to send WhatsApp broadcast to your contacts. Broadcast is a powerful feature that allows you to send a message to multiple subscribers at the same time in an automated manner. It helps businesses to send announcements, discounts, updates, and notifications to their contacts. To send WhatsApp broadcast to your contacts. First, you need to create your broadcast flow, then head to the broadcast section to send it. Please note that WhatsApp template message allows you to reach out to all your contacts, both the ones that are outside the 24 hours window and the ones that are not outside the 24 hours window. With normal WhatsApp flow, you can only reach out to contacts that are within the 24 hours window. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.